Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Camaro, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down. Sorry for the beeping, but there should be a lever here that'll release the safety. Should be a little tension here, and make sure this cable's connected. Alright, so first step done, now we got to actually open it. Most vehicles, there's a release lever towards the middle. You can see that it's loose. So from here, we'll push and lift. There we go. We got this pulley that's helping hold it up. And then here you can see that mechanism, a push to release it. Should be a fairly, movable. Make sure it's all tight, locked in place, no debris. The WD-40 sprayed in there if you need it a little looser. And that's the part it hooked onto. And obviously you want to make sure your hood's in proper alignment, nothing's bent, because that could cause issues getting this open as well. And then same if you got like some messed up cables, might need to readjust those. But otherwise I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.